Alright, let's be real. Who doesn't love crispy, delicious food? But the guilt of all that oil? Yeah, not so much. What if I told you that you could get that same crispy perfection with 90% less fat? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, not anymore. Meet the Philips HD9252/90 digital air fryer, your new best friend in the kitchen. Now I know what you are thinking. Another air fryer? What's so special about this one? Let me break it down for you. This little beast uses rapid air technology, which means it circulates hot air in a way that makes your food crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Let's get into its features and see what else you will be getting in it. The first impressive thing about it is its capacity, which is 4.1 liter, whether it's fries, nuggets or even a whole chicken. Yes, you heard me right. This fryer has got space for it. It has a digital touchscreen with 7 presets, no guesswork, just select the right preset. It could be fries, meat, fish, cake, you name it, and let the air fryer do its magic. It also got smart time and temperature control, adjust manually up to 200 degrees Celsius, and the built-in timer makes sure you never overcook anything again. Another good thing about this air fryer is its easy cleaning process. The non-stick basket and removable parts make cleaning a breeze. Now the whole point of its existence, it's healthy cooking. It uses up to 90% less oil, meaning you get crispy goodness without the guilt. Let's imagine this. You come home after a long day craving some crispy fries. Normally you would either deep fry them and feel guilty later or throw them in the oven and get soggy fries. But with this, 10 minutes, no oil, perfect crispiness. Or maybe you're someone who loves meal prepping. This air fryer lets you cook quick, healthy meals without the hassle. So if you are looking for a kitchen upgrade that makes your life easier and healthier, the Philips HD9252/90 is a solid pick. It's efficient, easy to use, and honestly, once you try it, there's no going back. Wanna grab one? Check out the link in the description. Affiliate link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Hit that like button, subscribe for more budget-friendly tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello guys, welcome back to Budget Binger, and we are back with a new video on a kitchen equipment you might like. So if you like at the end of this video, you can like our channel, and if you are first time here, you can subscribe to our channel as well. Happy, do we really have to do this every time we start the channel? Whatever, let's get right into it. Well, not anymore. Meet the Philips HD9253// what was it again? It has a smart time and time management control system. Hey, where's the temperature part?